Why you tell me 4 days of the week we start with T?
Watch him. I know this answer, I know me just name them all.
Name them
We
all.
have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah. And why you give me 4 of them we start with T?
A trick question this.
Really, nigga?
No, that was at all one in there. One start with this.
Oh yeah. We wait. Tuesday, Thursday.
Listen.
Today and tomorrow. No, we have more Saturday.
You have Tuesday. 3 days of the week.
Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. And what else?
Saturday start with T? Why you name 4 days of the week we start with the letter T? We say Monday?
No, I'm never say Monday. So me say Monday. Don't tell them lie upon me.
Oh, sorry, hold on.
Thursday. Sunday.
Sunday?
You have teen day.
Sunday.